Ọtụtụ ọma nọ ndị njem ọnụ afọ mbụ Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu Oraifite ma ịbụ ọgbaka Chigbo. O nwere ihe nji wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa ka m gosi gị ihe. Ịbịakwa na ihe a kịta, ihe ị na-afụ kịta bụ Shuwan shop. Yes, achọrọ m ka m kọwara gị uru Shuwan shop bara, ihe ị ga-eji wee gbochie. Shuwan shop bụ one of the gift nature nyere mmadụ. Shuwan shop, the leaves, and banana leaves of Shuwan shop bụ ihe mmadụ nwere ike iji mee a kind of green tea. Yes, ị nwere ike isi esi. Ọkwa ndị na-adara ya under room temperature, depending on etu chọọ use ya. Or immune booster ka ọ bụ. Nwere ike ịda nga first in the morning. Then enwekwara ihe ndị ọzọ nwere ike ime isinyere, enwere ike ime isinyere moringa. Yes, ọ bụ na chọrọ isi esi. Then enwekwara ike ime isi depending na ihe chọrọ. Mana ọ bụ na chọrọ ka wee na-eliminate, wee boost ya immune, wee prevent onwe gị from dangerous sickness like cancer. Because now I say prevention is better than cure. To eliminate those cancerous cells, you need the immune to get strong by Cambo. I'm going to make a Shuwan shop, very medicinal. Then you know why there I got a Shuwan shop no way na chair from time to time. It will help you. Then abroad na nature we kiss how Shuwan shop. I want you go the test bagolo here basalo cancer na aroge. He get me na see how Shuwan shop. Go to Shuwan shop. You water lemon. Yes, you had me. Lemon. It's a lemon of ma with the pack. Slice here. It's slice chaya. Then we go to the white 6 into 6 portions. Slice it with the pack. We need it. When you may depend on how many lemons you need. Here, no one here lemon now. We get here half penta. Then with a handful of Shuwan shop leaf tea boil here for 5 to 10 minutes. I want also go to 1 glass morning and last one glass night. Here, kita obuni brogu. Mano genyere aka eliminate some negative cells, free radicals, adroma, aroge. Then ineli kwa bonye ungorosa at cancer at early stage. Na ata garbage. Yes, na ata garbage. They make a garbage na aba. About na ata garbage daily. Then name me hendia ngwarage. You get for that gradually. HF kona omemo at once or gradually. If na need to detoxify again of those dangerous chemicals. Cancer name you may be the cells then aroge. It may hendia, it shall be well with you. I can tell you, no you open a hand and open an aya, or broken an aya. The haggard you go ya, I can tell you that one free. How do you want the hand quarter to the beauty of nature? Chat me. Non bill you want to come 0805 78 37672. The chef gonna. Now from Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu Oraifite. He get you a man you open a consider guy and a practicalize ya. Shuwan shop in Africa on my compound god. Yes, I would other farms I buy a in plenty. On all that I consider here I consider practical. Yes, and with uru spiritual benefit those plants. Now one hand on a compound of mother. I got get the benefit of a kuibo. Yes, uru obala madam when a compound. Taran asen kachitata boli the troni homa mariponi hojo. Akabukonin kiki Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu, an ancient high priest. Obaka Belon.